but the truth.
Yes, Salome.
First of all, I do correct nyaminwa. We are not beggars. Winja. Nikech gimoro ma Amerika kelo, koro nyak mangato mo Amerika nyalo bete stage ma dhianyonwa. We are not beggars.
Amerika
we are not beggars.
Nyono kwesi Kenya.
Wakoni, you cannot come to my house as a visitor basi yanye order. You also have to know what you are saying, and you are saying it in public. Iwinja, because why do we have the crisis talk that is going on right now? Is because the opposition and government have realized there's something wrong.
Okay.
And I want let me continue because I gave my partner a lot of time to talk. Koro gimadwa kwayo jopiny.
Yes.
Nuwa winjie mriambo gadiera. Betty one okwan propagandist. Raila be no wacho gimoa e chunye. Dongo wacho Meg Witten no wacho gimoa e chunye. Raila has a space to say what gima Jakom dwa wacho. To Jakom no wacho gima o e chunye. So kaka wa respect a foreigner, wa respect Marwa. Nikech Maru to en Maru. Whether you like it, katihero katidagi, Maru to Maru. The next thing I want to talk here. We are always beggars. I'm kama Betty and Dr. Agnes Salome Award.
Yes.
I went and studied in the US. I paid more than the students in the US. I was paying $1 million per semester for my university education. I was there for 5 years. I did my 2 masters and my PhD. Koro adwa kwayo Betty. Ni pen ka e. She's a woman that I respect very much. We are not supposed to be beggars. Kenya mawantireni, we can do our own agriculture. Inano baba. We can do our own health because we take health workers from Kenya to go and serve in other countries. We can manage our education system if we don't have corruption. But I don't have to listen to you abuse me in my own country just because I'm getting money from you. No, that's a no-go zone. And I remember the president himself, Ruto, said, we as Africans should be led to run our African affairs. Kenya is an independent country.
Okay.
Tokatangat magiwachon Raila. Raila and Ruto, they only have a difference of 200,000 votes, if we can talk about it, according to what was reported. And right now, among the communication that we are talking about, in the Bomas communication, is about Mondowayao server. When we were in court, the judges, and when they were asked, can you open the server? They said the server cannot be opened because the people in that country are still sleeping. We are not making noise about server, but we are asking Meg Whitman. I don't know which diplomatic rules that Betty was reading, but I have them here, 10 tenets that I teach students. One of them is communication with respect. What respect to campaign one because kata Ann Agnes, saniko keta ambassador mar America, I'll be very sensitive. Gima wuok e dhoga kawachon jopiny mar America because there's respect of communication.
Okay.
Thank you.